Hello, this is Dr. Kevin Christie of Health Fit Corporate Wellness. Today I'm going to go over workstation ergonomics with you, which is essentially fitting you to your workstation to help prevent injury and increase performance. The good news about today's video is you will not need to change any of your equipment or buy new and improved expensive equipment. We're going to take your workstation and be able to fit you to it. We're going to start by fitting you to your chair, then the chair to the floor, then to the workstation, and then making sure you're using everything, the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse correctly to reduce the strain and stress on your body. We have worked with many companies and thousands of employees on this ergonomics initiative that we're launching, and we're seeing that through proper education and understanding of your work environment, we can really make an impact on your health and wellness.
Do your feet rest flat on the floor or a footrest? Which is ideal? Are your knees bent at approximately about a 90-degree angle as you sit? Does your chair support your lower back when you address the workstation? Is there about 2 to 3 inches between the front of the seat pan and the back of your knees when you're seated? Can you easily reach your work without interference from the armrests of your chair? The key is we want to fit you to your chair to the ground, then the chair to the workstation. As you're addressing your workstation, are your shoulders relaxed and not elevated when you work on your keyboard? This is a common problem amongst many people, and it causes a lot of pain and injuries. Are your arms resting at your side rather than stretched out in front of you when you're typing or using the mouse? Can you reach your mouse without rotating your arm outward or reaching to the side excessively? All of the previous and following advice can be utilized no matter the desk style you currently have. You just need to take your desk setup into consideration. If you do have a sit-to-stand desk, just apply the same postures and equipment setup to your standing position. If you have a height-fixated desk and your particular height doesn't allow for you to fit yourself to the chair, then the chair to the floor, and maintain optimal chair to desk setup, then focus on your posture and then set up to the desk, keyboard, and monitor as a priority. We can always utilize a footrest to remedy the chair height issue when you may face this situation as a shorter individual. Is the height of your desk such that you can slide yourself and your chair up to the workstation comfortably without the armrest hitting into the desk? Can you address the keyboard without having to elevate your shoulders, which is a common issue we see in a desk height or chair height problem and causes many issues as far as pain and injury? Are your arms resting at your sides rather than stretched out in front of you, which we see a lot also in proper setup of the chair and desk? Is your keyboard set up in a neutral position right in front of you? Make sure you take down the stands in the back of the keyboard to keep your wrists straight or neutral. Too many people lift up the stands, and then when you're typing, you're actually having your wrists in extension, which puts excessive strain on your wrists. Are your arms positioned in a way to keep your wrists straight so you don't inflame them? Is your wrist protected or cushioned with a mouse pad? Does your mouse pad have the wrist guard as well to keep it into neutral? And is your mouse pad positioned so that you can easily access it when utilizing the mouse? Is the distance between you and your computer monitor set so that you can see the entire screen without straining your neck or your eyes to see the text? Is the height of the monitor positioned so that the top of the monitor is at your eye level? Is the angle of the monitor flat so you can see the entire screen without glare? If you are utilizing the phone frequently, we highly recommend a headset during phone and computer use simultaneously. We see too often people are on the regular phone device while typing or using the mouse, and it's causing neck issues. We highly recommend using a headset during simultaneous use of the phone and computer. In addition, if you're often transcribing information from a document to the computer, we recommend using a document holder so that you're not looking down excessively at the document while you're trying to also type.
We at HealthFit Corporate Wellness want to thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. We have no doubts that if you implement these tips and tools into your workstation throughout the day, throughout the week, you will benefit greatly in your overall health and wellness, as well as improve the function of your workstation for long-term resolution of aches and pains. We greatly appreciate your time and have a good work day.